We are at Marley Flow Control. This is the workshop that we build our stainless steel cooling towers from.
We knew where we wanted to go, but we needed to go the next step, which was to get cost out of manufacturing, improve our manufacturing process.
When we first started working with Marley Flow, we were really fortunate to be going into a fantastic manufacturing company. We had a great team and a great product. But to become more competitive on that global scale, we needed to figure out how we could best support them.
When we're working with the AMRF, where they're sort of helping us innovate things,
Part of that exploration was looking at how they do business now and really understanding where the greatest impact could be through changes recommended by the AMRF team.
and push it further, so we could be pushing it from a small scale to something much larger.
Our long-term goal was to take our product internationally. We couldn't do that because we didn't have the production capacity until the AMRF came to us and made those recommendations.
They want to push manufacturing in Australia, so they're helping us develop this to be even more, I guess you could say, efficient.
The majority of us are from Western Sydney, so we kind of all have the same humour and same attitude. So I think that's why we connect really well and work together really well as a crew.
Here in Australia, we've lost a massive knowledge base of manufacturing, whether it be personnel, whether it be expertise, whether it be machinery. The AMRF can bring that all back to us.
We've had blokes like Nathan and James who actually come from composite backgrounds. They know, more than anyone really. We've definitely been teamed up with the right people.
All we've seen is cooperation.
We're actually the first to deal with them in this manufacturing process that they want to do. So yeah, they've been nothing but, overly helpful. So it's been great.